Good evening. This session is going to be on organizational behavior, and this chapter we will be discussing on the introductory part. See, basically, organizational behavior is a subject which is seen as a pioneer in the behavioral dimension of management. Of course, it is a part of psychology, but it will be very interesting to notice the discussion that we are going to have in this subject is related with the managerial behavior side. So let us start by understanding what is organizational behavior. We will start with the meaning for the subject. See, organization, maybe like we all know, like this is all about a consciously coordinated unit where two or more people are working for a common purpose. This is what we call it as organization. On the other side, when we are speaking about behavior, any action due to psychological effect is what we call it as behavior. And this behavior has to be measured, in fact, and that is what we are trying to do. So organization is a place where two or more people, it's a consciously coordinated unit where two or more people are coming together for achieving a common objective. Behavior is a psychological effect where it leads to some measurable activity of human being. Now, putting it both together, when we are seeing the term organizational behavior, it says it's all about one's thinking towards viewing behavior in a performance related context. So in the organization, how is that we are going to use the behavior of the people and we are going to utilize the behavior for the benefit of the organization, and that is what we are targeting here. So organizational behavior is all about utilizing the behavior of the people for the effective productivity or desirable outcome of the organization.